Welcome to Downshifting, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. So whether you're an enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone who loves the thrill of the open road, you are absolutely in the right place. Here at Downshifting, we dive deep into the world of cars, trucks, and SUVs. It doesn't matter if it's on-road or off-road. From in-depth reviews of the latest models to classics and restorations, we want to share it all with you. Want to learn how to change your oil, upgrade it to a performance exhaust system? No worries, we've got you covered with our step-by-step tutorial section. Now, it's not just about the cars, it's about the community. Now, let me explain. When a group of buddies, enthusiasts, or family members get together in a garage, shop, or driveway, the first thing that's going to be said after the modification or the improvement is always going to be, we have to test it. Now, more often than not, this is going to consist of a couple of buddies jumping into that car or truck, and they're going to be looking for that improved performance, sound, or capability. Or it could be a combination of all three. But regardless, those moments and memories create a special bond amongst the community. Now, our goal at Downshifting is to recreate just a little bit of that passion, enthusiasm, and bond amongst our community that we all share. Now, if we've done that in any way, we've succeeded. We always want to take you on that ride. So a few things that may pop up from time to time are some special guests and an awesome behind-the-scenes look at the automotive industry. So if you're ready for this nonstop ride, go ahead and hit the bell notification, hit the subscribe button, and jump in for the ride.